Chattanooga is drowning now. Historic floods after 127 millimeters of rain in 6 hours, worst since 1973. Interstate 24 vanished underwater. Semi-trucks float like toys. Rescue teams pull 47 people from rooftops, including an 8-year-old boy from a flooded school bus. East Brainerd District, 200-plus homes underwater. Waist-deep freezing water rose in minutes. Hamilton Place Mall. Escalators became waterfalls. 14,000 without power. Tonight, 80 millimeters more rain coming. Engineers panic. Wolf Tever Creek dams could break. 5,000 homes at risk. Officials knew. In 2023, they built an aquarium instead of fixing drains. Move upstairs. If you're in low areas. Evacuation maps on Hamilton County's emergency site. Every second counts.